We know real numbers include rational numbers, irrational numbers, integers, whole numbers, and natural numbers. Real numbers can be expressed as the sum of a decimal and an integer. All real numbers, except 0, are either positive or negative. So, the number line was created for visual representation, all these real numbers. A number line is a graphical representation of the signs and magnitudes of numbers and relationships to each other. So, it is completely created by using signs and magnitude of numbers and relationship between each other. So, a number line must satisfy these features. Okay, now let's see how it is created. You create a number line by first drawing a line and putting a mark for 0. Numbers on a number line are typically spaced at equal intervals. This spacing represents how each value in the figure has an equal gap between any 2 points. All real numbers correspond to points on the number line, and all points on the number line correspond to real numbers. By convention, the positive integers are located to the right of 0. The negative integers are located to the left of 0. The numbers increase in value as you go from left to right, regardless of whether you are working with negative or positive numbers. The number line reaches from negative infinity to positive infinity. This is known as number line. And since this number line contains only real numbers, it is also called as real number line. We can notice here, as the definition says, each numbers contain sign and magnitude, as well as they are arranged in an order of increasing from left to right. Therefore, each numbers have relationship to compare among them. For an example, here, number 5 is located to the right of number 2 on the number line. Then, 5 is greater than 2. In general terms, let's use variables. For an example, if a number x is located to the right of another number y on the number line, then x is greater than y. From a different perspective, if a number y is located to the left of another number x on the number line, then y is less than x. Either way, the answer is same. Further, since the variable x and y are not noted in any integers, you can understand the x and y will be decimal numbers between 1 and 2 and -3 and -4, because we know real numbers can be a decimal numbers. So, number line is nothing, it is a graphical representation for numbers. I think now you will have understood regarding number line. Okay, let's see in next session.